Hello children, welcome to CA session. Students, today we will continue the same chapter, chapter 3, spreadsheets, ranges and functions. So students, today we will discuss about copying formula to the cells below. See, we have already done 2 practicals. So we are very much familiar that how to copy data from one cell to another cell. That means one box to another box in MS Excel. So here we will learn to copy the formula. So first of all we have to select the cell. If this is the Excel sheet, then we have to select the cell where we have written the formula. Like if we have written formula over here, then we have to select this cell. Then after that take mouse pointer on the dot. Okay, so we have to take our mouse pointer. So mouse pointer we have to bring here. Okay. Bring mouse pointer on the dot at the bottom right. You can see dot at the bottom right of the cell boundary. Okay, so this is the selected cell, that means active cell, or we can also call it current cell. And this is the cell boundary, and at the bottom right this is a dot, that means black filled square. This dot is known as fill handle. So we have to bring our mouse pointer over here, and the mouse pointer will be converted to the plus symbol. Got it? So when it converts to the plus symbol, then we have to drag it downwards or this side. Okay. So we can simply drag it vertically downwards or horizontally to the left or right side. Wherever we want to, we can drag it. Got it? So you have to drag it up to where you have to copy the formula. Like if I have to copy the formula in these 2 cells, I will drag up to here, and then after that I will release it. That means I will release the mouse pointer. Then what will happen? The formula will be copied to these 2 cells. Now students, we will learn to work with range. So range means group of cells. When we select many cells, means a group of cell in consecutive order. Okay, those cells will be in consecutive order. That means one after the other. Then we can select those cells. Now how to select? By dragging the mouse. But there are so many options apart from using mouse. So here, first of all, selecting the range. We will study how to select the range. Now there is one method, extending a selection. Okay, this method is known as extending the selection, and this can be done with the help of function key, that is F8. So here first of all you have to click on the corner cell. First of all select this, then press F8. Got it? It is there at the topmost keys in the keyboards are function keys. So from there you have to choose F8. Then after that the extend selection will appear. Extend selection, you will be able to see extend selection and the status bar. Status bar is the bottommost bar of any window. Okay, so that means the extend selection is turned on. Now what you have to do? You have to directly click on this box. What will happen? All these cells will be selected. Got it? Select the cell, press F8 and then select this cell directly. Got it? So press F8 to extend the selection. In the status bar, you will be able to see extend the selection at the bottom. Got it? In status bar, you will be see extend selection. That means now you can select any cell and the group of cells will be selected. So now click on the diagonally opposite corner cell. That means this cell. And then to turn extend mode off, if we have to off the extend selection, then what we have to do? Again we have to press F8 and extend selection will be turned off. Now students, we will learn to select multiple ranges simultaneously. Till now we have studied about selecting only one range. One range means only one group of cells. But here you can see there are 3 group of cells. So how to select multiple ranges simultaneously? So first of all, select the first range. Select the first range, you know how to select. Either you can use extend selection or you can simply drag and drop. Then after that, hold control key. For non-continuous order, remember that every time you have to press control key. Okay, so select first group, then press control key in the keyboard. Then select another group of cell, then again press control key, then select third group of cell and then release Control key. So this way you can see 3 group of ranges are selected. Now selecting complete row or a column. Wherever you are working, like if you are here right now and you want to select the whole column or you want to select whole row, then you have to simply press shift space. So if you are here, then you are pressing shift space, that means the row 4th row will be selected. Okay, or you can directly click on this number 4, whole row will be selected. The same way if you want to select whole column B, like if you are here, then press control space. So if you are here and you press control space in your keyboard, then the whole column will be selected, B column will be selected. Or one more method is there that you can click on B and the B column will be selected. Now to select the entire worksheet, if you want to select whole sheet, then there is a shortcut key Ctrl A in the keyboard, or otherwise you can press select all button. Where is select all button? This is select all button. Okay. You can see at the top, this is select all button. Nothing is written over here. This is blank. When you click on this, whole sheet will be selected. Now the next is naming the range. If we have selected so many range in the sheet, then we can give name to the particular range. Like if this is the student range, this is teacher's range, this is marks range. Okay. So it depends on the details that you have written in these group of cells. So if you have to give a name to the group of cell, means to the range, then you have to select the range first. Like if we have to give name to this range, okay. So first of all select it. Then after that type the name in the name box. Where is name box? This is the name box. Okay. This is formula bar. This is name box. These are column letters. These are row numbers. Okay. So here in the name box we have to type the name of the range. That's it. And the range will be named. So students, only this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.